a native sage that low growing. It'll look nice with some purple flowers later in the year. California native grape. We put it on a post. It goes across with some wire to the fence. It's dormant at the moment, but it looks nice in the summer. We might get some grapes out of it this year. Our artichokes are starting to fill their space. They love the rain. It was a little bit cold before the rain. And they're coming back. And down inside the center, where the artichokes will come out of. I don't know if you can see any. You see any down there? I don't see any yet. I think it's going to be more towards the summer. This is California, so you never know. Down in there and let me know if you see an artichoke. And another delightful thing when you're digging in the garden is to have some stinging nettle, because it's always wonderful to have stinging nettle on your fingers when you're digging. It reminds you for the next hour or so, while you're trying to use duct tape to remove it from your hands, how enjoyable stinging nettle is. If you like sweet lemons that aren't as sour, don't get Eurekas. Because as well as them being super sour, they also have seeds all over them. So don't do like we did and get these. But they're fine. But Meyers are more like very sweet lemons. Almost like you're buying lemon tarts that are a fruit.